Well, a surge of COVID cases in the Greenville area. That was the topic today at a news conference in downtown Greenville, where Mayor Knox White and health officials addressed the rise of cases and what that means for the city. Fox Carolina's Carrie Weimer is live at Falls Park with what we learned today. Carrie?
That's right, Cody. You know, the mayor used words like jarring and serious when he was describing the surge of cases that we've had here in the Greenville area. Today, he had representatives from both Prisma and bon-secours here to help him explain why this is so serious and what the community needs to do.
The day, that's what we're trying to do, is get back to normal. And how can we do it? And we know the answer. That's what's so frustrating. We know the answer. The answer is to social distance, and the answer is to wear a mask.
Greenville City Mayor Knox White said today that city leaders are tired of this pandemic, but says it goes beyond being an inconvenience to someone's personal lifestyle. It is costing lives.
If you are in a group of 25 people or more, you have a 99% chance that there's at least one person in that group who is COVID positive.
You should get really nervous when you're in a group of 10 or more people and there's folks not wearing a mask, because the likelihood is that someone in that group potentially has COVID-19. They don't even know it. 40% of the people that have this disease don't even know it.
Prisma Health says before Memorial Day, Greenville was working towards flattening the curve. But after the holiday, it seems like people have gone back to business as usual.
The spread of this disease in the 20 to 40 population in this county is rising at a rate that is got to get under control. It's no longer the elderly. This is a disease of everybody. All the community has to do to help us do this and to turn this ridiculously out of control chart around is put a mask on.
Dr. James says if the community can do that, then within a couple of months we could reopen schools, keep businesses open, and continue to be a vibrant community.
Nobody wants to infect their parents. Nobody wants to infect their grandparents or their children. But that's what's happening. The community is infecting each other.
Health officials from both hospital systems say if we continue to demand more and more care for COVID, we will outrun the capacity the upstate systems can provide.
We have a very robust medical care system in the upstate. But when all 5 systems come together and they are all looking at reality, the reality is we can only supply so much.
And the doctors said today they want to keep reminding people of the 3 things that we all need to be doing: wearing a mask in public when you're around other people, wash your hands, and of course, social distance. Now, you might have noticed behind those speakers in the package you just saw, there were some posters up with different things on them. We're going to get into that more here coming up about what the city is doing to help remind people what they need to do. Reporting in downtown Greenville, I'm Carrie Weimer, Fox Carolina, the 4 o'clock news.
Carrie, thanks so much. And the city of Greenville did launch a new campaign to encourage mask use. It's called Mask Up, Life is Waiting. These posters will go on display around the city to urge people to wear masks and practice social distancing. The message is, the sooner everyone cooperates, the faster this virus will go away.
We continue to listen to the doctors, and they said this morning, in response to the question about people who say, I have a right, I don't have to listen to anybody. And the doctor's response, which is what I'll repeat, is this is not about rights. This is about a responsibility to our community. And the science has proven that masks are effective in preventing the transmission of droplets going from one person to the other person.
As a reminder, the city of Greenville does have a mask mandate, I should say, in place. People are required to wear them inside grocery stores and pharmacies.